What I'm going to attempt to do now in this video is to show real quick the operation of this experimental allotter for the Westen Electric 31737 connector shelf. And what we got here, this is the shelf here. This is connector number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now don't pay too much attention to this one because we're not going to use it this time. That's the test connector. But what we're going to do is make a series of calls through this thing to the same number, 3212, and I'm going to show you that each time it picks a different connector. Here goes. Okay, get ready. Here's the cool part. Okay, so even as an experiment, this was kind of difficult to get past everything because one thing about an allotter for a shelf like that is it has to get the heck out of the way once the first call gets in there so that it leaves the other 4 available to operate normally, because in normal operation this stuff was never designed to do this. So this is like kind of going beyond what it was ever meant to do from the factory.